Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens and we are about to get into some really good deals because you guys already know my W days has started. So last week, Walgreens invited me to a conference call along with a bunch of other coupon influencers where they reviewed the ins and outs of how my W days is going to work. But you guys, what I love the most about what they said about what this event was to them is that this event is a thank you to us for choosing Walgreens when we decide to shop. That meant a lot to me because all stores don't feel that way about us. So the fact that they want to thank us with this event where we can earn over 50% back on our purchases in Walgreens cash, I think is so awesome, which is why I told y'all I was going to be here instead of CVS this week. With the My W Days event, every single day this week there is a different offer for you to take advantage of. Today it is a personalized offer where you can get 30% in Walgreens cash back in the category that you spend the most. So I have Matt's account and my account, and we actually got two different categories. One of us got household and the other one got personal care and beauty. So I'm going to do two transactions with each one of those so we can see the savings that we can get. And the beautiful part about it is it stacks with this everyday offer where we are going to get 25% in Walgreens cash. So when we had the call with Walgreens, one of the instant questions that came up is, can we use Walgreens cash to pay and still earn Walgreens cash? And what they told us is essentially that this booster or these boosters will work just like all of the other ones will work. So with this, to get the over 50% back, I need to either spend cash money, I need to spend manufacturer coupons, I can spend register rewards, I can spend a gift card. You have to pick your poison. But the actual amount, as far as the bonus that you're going to get back, is only based on those things that are always considered cash. So we know at Walgreens what's considered cash: our manufacturer coupons, our register rewards, our cash money, and gift cards. So to lower my out of pocket, but to also make sure that I maximize these bonuses, I'm going to be using a combination of register rewards, high value coupons, and a gift card that they gave me to reduce my out of pocket. But you just pick whatever you have, whether it be a lot of register rewards or coupons, in order to lower your out of pocket so that you can still maximize these Walgreens cash bonuses. And then something else to reduce your out of pocket as an idea is to also pick up items that are included with Ibotta rebates. So I'm going to be stacking up the savings because I'm going to be buying products that will get me back the 30% and the 25% in Walgreens cash, and are included in different sales and promotions like register reward promos and points promos. And I'm also going to be submitting over to Ibotta so that I can reach my Ibotta bonus. So I'm going to get about $14 in cash from Ibotta. So even if you have to spend a little bit of cash, if you're going to be reimbursed for that cash from Ibotta, that is another way to lower your overall totals. So the first deal that has a high value coupon that's still going is on the Dove. So these are $7 each, and they're buy two, get back a $4 register reward. So let's pick up two of them for $14. If you have the paper coupon, you can use that. That'll take off $6.99, or if you still have the digital, you can use that. That'll take off $7, and that'll leave you to pay $7 at the register, getting back $4, and then you would make that would make these $1.50 each. Another item that we have a high value coupon on is the Tampax right now. So I posted this deal on the digital coupons deal Instagram page that I just created last week, where we have $6.99 is the price for just one box of the Tampax, and we have a $4 digital, which will make it $2.99. Now, since we are going to be making so much money today, I'm going to go on ahead and grab two of these for $11. I will use the $4 digital coupon and pay 2 for $7 for two boxes of the Tampax Pearl. So the next thing I wanted to grab is two of the Crest $3 toothpaste. So these are $3 each. Two of them will total us up to $6. I have a $2 off of two digital coupon. I have a two off of one digital coupon. And I also have a $1 digital coupon. If I was to use just the $2 off of two digital coupon, I would pay $4 at the register and then get back a $4 register reward, making two boxes completely free. With that two off of one and the one off of one, I should pay $3 and get back four, making two boxes a $1 buddy maker. Now, my store only has one box of the $3 left, so I'm actually going to have to get one that's more expensive. Also, I have to get a $4 one, so it only be a freebie for me, but it should still be a good deal. I have a really old digital on my account for like $3.50 off a floss picks. So I want to see if that's going to work, even though it's not attaching in the app anymore because it's older. I want to see if it'll actually apply at the register. With that $2 digital coupon for the toothpaste, that should make this a really good money maker. Fingers crossed that it actually works out. If they had these $3 toothbrushes in stock, this would be another option that's an easy freebie. I can pick up two of these for $3, use the two off of two digital coupon, pay $4, and then get back four, making two toothbrushes completely free. I've been wanting to try the Method body wash for a while, and I think I might do this on another day this week because I think we have another personal care day coming up. But these are $8, and then we do have $6 on two back on Swag Bucks. With the 50% in Walgreens cash back with both of the point offers, plus getting the $6 back on Swag Bucks, that'll bring these down to about $1 a piece because they're two for 16, and you're gonna get back half of your money back in Walgreens cash, and then you would get back the $6 from Swag Bucks. So not a bad deal if you want to try the Method. I want to grab some Ibotta rebates while I'm here because I'm still trying to complete my Splish Splash bonus, and I need four more offers. If you watch my Walmart video, then you saw we had made some good progress towards that. So I'm going to pick up two of these CoverGirl eye enhancers, the four quads, for $6.29. We have brand new $2 coupons on coupons.com or ShopMe'em that you can print out. And we also have $3 Ibotta rebates. So these two should total up to $9.43 before my coupons. After my $4 in coupons, I'm going to pay $5.43. Then I'm going to get back $6 from Ibotta, making these free plus about a 57-cent moneymaker. So not a bad deal if you need a filler item to build your transaction up like I need. To do a couple more of the Ibotta rebates that I need to complete, I'm also going to do the spend 20 get back 8 on Revlon products. So there is a spend 20 get back $8 register reward promotion going on, even though my store is not tagged. So I'm going to pick up two of these products and I'm going to try to get as close to that $20 mark as possible. Let's see what I get. So after looking around, I think I'm gonna get one of these face powders for $10.79, and I'm also gonna grab one of the quads down here for $9.99. I take that back. I'm gonna get one of these along with one of the face powders. All right, you guys, so these two are going to total us up to $20.78 before our coupons. I am going to be using a $3 digital coupon for each product, so I have three for the face and three for the eye. At the register, I'm going to pay out $14.78, but then I am going to get back a total of $6 from Ibotta, $3 for each one, and I'm also going to get back an $8 register reward, making my final cost for these two just 78 cents. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first transaction. I decided to do the CoverGirl in another transaction because it was making my out of pocket a little too high for my comfort level. So I decided to just grab these items since this is enough to put me at $50 so I can use that $10 point booster that I got last week. So I'm going to go up and check out with these items. This is actually going to be an all digital transaction. Let's see how this deal goes. So I just went up and tried that transaction. The oral care digitals that I had, the old ones, they did not apply at all. The only thing that came off was like a $1 digital. I was like, nope, nope, nope. So I avoided that and I'm about to go try it again. I replaced the oral care with this big flex razor as a filler item to get me over that $50 because it is $5.29 right here and we have a $4 digital coupon. You know what? I might actually grab two of these Yeah, that would actually make sense for me to grab two of these and then submit over to the coupons app for the second one because we have $4 back. You know what? Even that, though that's going to make two of them free, I'm going to go ahead and chill on that because that's about to make my out of pocket a little bit higher. But that is an option. You can pick up two packs of these for $7.93. Use the $4 digital on one, submit over to ShopMeum or the coupons app for the second one. It'll make two packs completely free. All right, you guys, so let's go over that receipt. Everything worked out perfectly in that transaction. So here is everything that we got. So we got the two Dove body wash, we got the Revlon items, the Tampax, the big, and then the second Revlon. I used that $10 booster coupon for spending 50, a $4 register reward. The $7 coupon is for the Dove, $4 for the Tampax, $4 for the big, and then the two $3 digitals are for the Revlon. That brought my subtotal down to $26.77, and I did place that on a gift card that Walgreens corporate was so nice enough to send me as a celebration for this my Walgreens event. So that was super free, that $26. When you add back in the $4 register reward that we did use, we spent out $30.77 in this transaction. Guys, here's where it gets good because we got back 35.26 in Walgreens cash for this transaction. But wait, there's more. We did get back our register rewards. So I got back $8 for the Revlon. I got back $4 for the Dove. And I also got back $6 in cash from Ibotta for the Revlon. So total that we spent out is $30.77. We got back $12 in register rewards. We got back $35.26 in Walgreens cash, and that is a combination of the double boosters plus my $10 paper booster, all three of those stacked on each other. And we also getting back $6 in cash money. That transaction was a $22.49 moneymaker. And for this transaction, just so we're clear on how these boosters stacked, in order for me to get this much Walgreens cash back, so I got back the 30% and the 25% on $51 spent. I had $25 in coupons plus the $26.77. That was $51 in cash spent, and I got back half of that in my double stacking boosters, and I also got back 10 in the paper booster. So that is how we came up with $35 back. Next thing we're gonna grab is the buy four get back a $5 register reward promotion. This includes Tide, Febreze, Bounty, Charmin, a bunch of different products. Now I have seen that the $5 PNG is also printing on some things, but it is hit or miss. So you might get it, you might not, depending on what you pick up. I think I saw on Dawn's video that she picked up 4 of those 2 equal 5 Bounty, and it did generate this additional $5, so keep that in mind. I really need to be stocked up on these Febreze plugs, so I'm actually going to get 2 of these as my first 2 items in the buy 4. You can get whichever ones you like out of the ones that are included, but I'm going to use the 330 digital coupon. I'm not sure if it's still available for a clip, but I'm going to use that when it's an older digital as my first 2 items. Then the next thing we're going to grab to complete our deal is 2 of the Bounty. So we're going to get, you can either get the 6 equal 8 essentials or you can get the 2 equals 5 doubles. We have a 50-cent digital coupon. I'm going to get the essentials 6 equals 8. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my buy 4 get back 5 register reward deal. Now these items are also supposed to be tracking for the spend 20 get back $5 register reward promotion, but that extra $5 for the spend 20 did not print out for me for these 4 items. So after the coupons, the digital coupons that we're going to be using, the 330 for these Febreze items and the 50 cents for the Bounty, we will pay out a total of $18.16 at the register. Then getting back that $5, it makes the final cost for these 4 items $13.16 or $3.29 each before we get back 50% in points. Now, after we get back the 50% in points, that's going to bring these down to about $1.64 each, which is a stock up price for me. We have $2 coupons on the Persil that do expire today, along with $1 Ibotta rebates. So that is going to be $3 in coupon savings on the Persil. So I think I'm going to grab a couple of these for $5.99. With the $2 coupon plus $1 Ibotta, these will be $2.99 each before we get back the money on our boosters. I wanted to get one of the Bounce Rapid Touch-Up right here to knock out another one of my Ibotta rebates. It is not on the Register Reward promo, but it will help me get towards my bonus. They don't have that, so I'm going to grab this Tide to Go pen instead for $2.99. I'll submit over to Ibotta for $1, making this $1.99. And since it is a household product, we will get back the double offers for my W days. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my next transaction, and this transaction is going to be all digital with the exception of the register rewards that we just earned in the previous transaction. I'm also going to use this spend 25 earn 7 paper booster that I got last week. And then after this transaction, I'm going to follow it up buying these Persil items to complete my Ibotta bonus. So here is my receipt for that transaction. There's the 2 Bounty, there's the 2 Febreze, the Bic. We had the point booster that I use for spend 25, get back 7. We had the $8 and the $4 register reward, and we also had our digital coupons for these items that came off. That brought my subtotal down to $7.45. When you add back in that $12 in register rewards that we spent, I spent out $19.45 in this transaction. But then I did get back $20 in Walgreens cash, and I also got back a $5 register reward for picking up those 4 items. So we got back $25 after we spent out the $19.45. That transaction was free plus a $6 moneymaker. Now, if you pick up a total of 4 of the items that are generating that spend 20 get 5 register reward, this will be an even bigger moneymaker for you. So now let's talk about our Persil transaction. I got 2 of those for $5.99 plus the Tide to Go. Subtotal came up to $10.97. I did use $10 in Walgreens cash in this transaction, and I paid out the 97 cents. I earned back $1 in Walgreens cash since I did use that $10 in Walgreens cash to pay. And I also finally hit my Ibotta bonus and got back $8 in cash back from Ibotta. So we spent out $10.97. We got back $8 in cash and $1 in Walgreens cash. This transaction was $1.97 for all 3 items. So all right, you guys, this was my first day at my W days complete. Checked off our list, and I think it was a successful day. What I'm most excited about this event is I can pick up items that I really want, like the Persil and the Febreze and the Tampax. When you have boosters like this, take this as a time to really customize your hauls based on the products that you want, that you like, that you use, and that is definitely what I'm going to be doing. Overall, we made $27, and then we spent out a couple of them for the Persil transaction. So this was about a $25 moneymaker day at Walgreens. Yes, y'all, I will take that. So I will see you back here soon at Walgreens because we're going to keep it coming. We're going to keep these deals rolling. Let me know how you're using your boosters, what you're picking up, what you think of the event so far, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and remember to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate it so much. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.